What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So it is 10th of January. This is my first video recording of the new year. So, and I'm doing Indra Otsutsuki from Naruto. Good to be back. I was sick over Christmas. So, yes, and it was the sickness, you know, the one, I don't know if we're able to talk about it on YouTube still. But I'm good now, I think. Still got a bit of a cough. But you know, maybe I was doing a bit too much. I don't know. Like a lot of double uploads and stuff like that. Maybe I'll just take it easy for a while. Maybe I was a bit burnt out. Hope you don't mind. But maybe just some single uploads. We'll try and do one every day. How about that? Maybe a double every now and then, depending on how much energy I have. But anyway, that's a rant. Good to be back. Happy New Year. Let's go. Center point of my page about here. We'll come up over to the right hand side and we will start with our boy Indra's eye. And he has the Sharingan. So moving images as usual, always prepared. So let's see if I can remember how to do this. Okay. It's weird. Right, so a diagonal line here, right, and then we go across the top, like so, right? Not bad. Hands a bit shaky. Ugh. So thickening up the top eyelid. So, okay, just adding a bit of thickness to it. And like most of this eye, not most, a bit of it is covered by his hair, but we'll draw it in, right? We'll just go down here. And you can thicken this up a little bit as well. Now most of it covered by hair, so it's not as important. Right, like so. And then we'll just kind of bring it flat across here. All right, kind of like that. Okay, so then in here, he's got real big Sharingan red eyes, right? So it's like a circle, but like the top and the bottom are cut off. So we can just sort of see a line here. And a line coming around here. You can kind of make it as circular as you can. And then in there we have the Sharingan. Okay, so we got like his pupil in the middle, so just like a black circle. And then we have those tomei, those comma sort of shapes around it, right? So one here. We can only see two because one is like up here. So one there. One here. They're slightly smaller than this pupil. And then we got like this hook going off that way. And then a hook going off this way. And then there seems to be like another circle just going around, kind of connecting them. So it goes around here. Goes around his eye. And then up underneath his eyelid. This way. Like so. When we go over and do the other eye, so our eye width across in Naruto characters, we're in proportion, so the width of the eye will fit in between, and that's where the next eye starts. Diagonal there. And then we will bring this across again. Oop. We're about the same height. You know, same sort of level. We can try and thicken this up a little bit. And then we'll go diagonal down here. And again, we'll thicken it up. It's thicker on top. Right, thicker up the top up here. And then we will bring it across. Pretty flat across, like that. And then we'll do a big iris again. Like so, and then pupil, black circle. Like so, and then those commas, tomes, is there, and then we add a hook coming off the side that way as well. And then that sort of circle going around. Like so. Right, so he does have these sort of lines around his eyes, right? So he's got like, this comes around here and then goes up around an eyelid line like that. So it comes around like the inside of his nose, like so. And then something similar on this side, so it goes up and around. So they're kind of like eyelid lines. But then sort of the starts of those lines that Tachi has on his nose. Kind of like the start of it. They don't go far. Just there like that. And then his eyebrows. So he's got like tiny little eyebrows. Some of this one will be under hair. So we'll erase some or color over. Tiny little sort of spiky eyebrows like that. Right, so his nose, so he's got like a line just here on the right hand side. And then nostrils, one underneath that line and then one on the other side. So his nose line is kind of like over to the right, and then the nostrils just there. So he's real serious, kind of downturned kind of mouth. Down like so. Downturned on the edges. And then his bottom lip line, just here. And then his chin, just around here. Right, and you can check proportions of things now. So eyes, say top eyelid to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here. And then nostrils to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here. So there are your proportions of the human face. Then we'll try and do his jaw. So we'll go up the side. Like so. Yeah, we're about stopping, say where his top lip is. Just here and underneath the edge of his eye. See there? And then we go up the other side. Like so. Again, stopping just here, edge of his eye. And then we will change direction and go up the side of his face. So we'll go up this way. And we meet hair up here. So we stop about just beside his eye. We do the same thing on this side. And stop a little bit lower down on this one. Like so. right? So that fringe and hair, right? So he's got a big spike that comes across just above the eyebrow here, comes across this eye, down like so, right to there. And then this goes back up into there. And then this will come down like so. Back up into there. Next one, kind of bumps twice here, spike back up into there. Now if you want, you can erase those lines that we shouldn't see underneath his hair. I'll do it after. And we'll just do the rest of the spikes that are around his head. Like so. Up to there. Another one here. Where's my image gone? There. So 1, 2, 3, and then this is a big one. Back up that way. We have a small one here. And this one goes up to the top of his head, so it goes around like that. And then we have another one sticking out this way, up to the top of my page there, back in. And then we go down the other side. So to there. There. Okay, so then he's got these tied pieces of hair coming down the side of his face. So, line here. This is like these tied bandages or something on the side here, and they have lines on them. So, and then these have long pieces of hair that kind of stick down here. A large spike and a short spike just there. And same on this side. And then we can just see his ears just in behind these, just here. Like so, and then like some lines on the inside, bones and ligaments and things, like so. Okay, so then his neck, up and down like so, like that. And then his collar down that way. Collar on the other side. Somewhere similar. Maybe went a little bit too long with this, so I'm gonna go just here. Like that. And then the collar will go in behind his hair. So he's got some like more hair here. The collar will go in around behind here, and then the other side of the collar here, like so. And then we have another hair spike here, and then the collar in around there, like so. Across to there, and then like some more hairlines just going behind his neck, like another hair spike or something there. And then his shoulder comes out and down this way, shoulder out and down that way. And then those large commas, so they're like the things in his eyes in the Sharingan, like this large comma circle in the middle, and then another one sort of here. Tomes, like that. Right, and then I'll just erase that line. That was a bit of a mistake. And I might as well do these up here as well. Okay, but I think that that is everything. That is how to draw Indra Otsutsuki from Naruto. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.